let's start it. Enjoy the video. Okay, the tool that we need is bowl, spoon, or spatula. The ingredients are clear glue, soft glue, slime activator, coloring food, and shower gel. Okay, now we go to the steps. First, pour clear glue into a bowl. Second, pour the fox glue into the bowl. Then, stir them all together, spoon or spatula. Add water little by little. Add shower gel. Stir them again. After that, pour slime activator little by little. Mix until it begins to form. Add coloring food. Slime is ready to play.